Greetings from Scots English College. This video tutorial will help you complete Scots orientation. To enroll in the orientation, you must first register as a user on Scots online platform. To do that, please go to www.scotsenglish.edu.au. Next, on the right-hand side of the top menu, click on Student Login. Now, create your user account. First, enter a valid email address as your username. Next, choose your password. Remember, your password must be 8 characters, including at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one digit, and at least one non-alphanumeric character. After you enter your password, write in your first name, last name, and then click on the I'm not a robot verification box. Click on Create my new account. You're almost ready to begin your orientation, but first, you must verify your email address. Please go to your email inbox and click on the automated email sent to you by Scots online platform. If you do not find the email in your inbox, it may have gone into your junk folder. In that case, please check your junk mail before contacting Scots support. Copy the URL link from the automated email and paste it into your browser address bar. You have now verified your email address and are now ready to continue on to your orientation. After you click Continue, you will see the dashboard page. On the right-hand side of the dashboard page, you will see your name. Click on the small arrow next to the round profile picture to see the menu. Go down to Orientation. Now, you can see Scots orientation on your page. There's one final step for you to complete your enrollment process and begin your orientation. Enter your enrollment key and click Enroll Me. Your enrollment key must have been sent to you by Scots Student Services. If you have not received your enrollment key, please email studentservices@scotsenglish.edu.au. You are now ready to begin your orientation. Good luck!